Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ARGS. We will take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 15 minutes in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 15 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 15-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this one, I don't remember when. I just know that I did it because there's still green line annotations here. And the nice thing about my chart provider eSignal is whenever I do, put markings, no matter how much later I come back, those markings and annotations are still there. And I bring that up because both these levels still do pertain to the chart, namely the key point being right there about 54 cents, give or take, and that's that initial green line. So you can see right here that, I drew the line, and like I said, 54 cents, 53 cents, whatever you want to call it. But that did indeed play a role in today's price action. So the first 15 minutes gapped up, pulled back. On the pullback, you can see found some support right in that vicinity of the support line. And then on the big pullback right here, although it didn't quite hit it, I think we can all agree got, again, within the vicinity of that level of support and once again held. So 53, 54 cents, again, whatever you want to call it. There's definitely some buyers sitting there, and ideally going forward, you certainly still want to continue to see those buyers sitting there. In the event this price pulls back, next key overall level of support will be that second green line down there. Right here, and that's valued at 47 cents. So 54 cents, 47 cents, two key levels of support going forward. But like I said, so far so good. The bulls are doing a great job of holding up above that level of support, and if they can continue to do that, that's definitely going to be the biggest sign of strength going forward. Now, what about areas of resistance? So if this, tries to get back up in the, 80 cent range, where some of these hurdles at, first key hurdle that the bulls are going to have to fight through is right there at 65 cents, and then next level after that, up there at 75 cents. So yes, up, here is technically a level of support, but before you start talking about up in the 80 cent range, the first couple bridges that needs to be crossed, again, 65 cents and 75 cents. All in all, though, a whole lot of volume this one today. Good price action. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.